Hi, my name is Kelly, and I am so excited to continue to teach you how to use my favorite tool, the iBloom Planner, for managing your life and your business. Today, we're specifically going to talk about how to plan for a successful week. However, if you missed my video on how to plan for a successful month, be sure to check out the link below and you could get access to it. You'll want to watch it first because planning for a successful month is what will set you up for success for a successful week. All right, so in the planner, you'll notice we've got our monthly pages that we talked about, and then we go to our weekly pages. And we have a weekly snapshot, which I love seeing the whole week at one glance. And so today we're going to talk about how do we plan for a week. But I want to tell you my favorite tool in this weekly page for setting me up for success and really setting the tone for the week. It's up in the top left-hand corner, and it's your scripture of the week. And if you're on our iBloom email list, every Monday I send out an email that highlights that scripture, but it also gives you a specific prayer for your week. And so if you're not on our email list, be sure to check out the link below so that you can get added and receive this weekly inspiration. In order to plan for a successful week, it's important that you take some time to really do this. I personally like to spend time on Friday afternoons of just going away, maybe to a coffee shop or just planning an hour of devoted time where I am going to intentionally prepare for the upcoming week. And it's during that time that I'm really seeking God and asking Him what will be the best use of my time and energy in the upcoming week. All right, so we have our verse, and then it's divided into sections, and this is really intentional, and I want to show you how to maximize all of this space. So the first thing that you want to think about when you're planning your week, you want to think about the one thing that must get accomplished. What's that one thing that has to get accomplished? And I personally like to write that in kind of this white space up at the top so that I am keeping that at the forefront of my mind, that this is the one thing that if this is accomplished, it will mean my week was a success. And then you'll see in this top section, there are projects. This is kind of your brain dumping space. The idea is it takes the place of those Post-it notes that are all over your house or your office. It's a place to digest all the things. And so I personally like to use these for specific categories. And so I might have a category for my personal life, my family. I might have a category for something related to my business, or multiple categories related to my business. You can use these categories for anything that you want. And if you have specific things that you use now, I would love for you to comment below because we want to learn from you. How are you personally using those project categories? You'll trigger our thoughts and give other people ideas as well of how they can maximize that space. But the idea is you have the category and then you're writing the specific things that have to be done for that category. So for instance, if you have a business and you're focusing on a marketing element, you would do marketing, but then you would list the specific things that have to be done that week for marketing to be a success. Again, it's a brain dump. And then we come down to the daily sections. And so with the daily, you're going to begin to take those projects and start identifying what day of the week are you actually going to do that particular project. Because if we just leave it at the top and we don't decide when we're actually going to do it, then we're missing the opportunity. And so I like to think of my schedule as more of a time blocking. And I'm going to show you how to use the appointment section more in the next video as we talk about how to plan for a successful day. You'll also notice that Saturday and Sunday is a little bit different. They're more open blocks. We're assuming that you're enjoying family time or you have less projects on those days. And so you'll just use that space either for to-do list or you can also use it for appointments as well. So this gives you your week at a snapshot. Remember, you're going to plan your week based on the month. So whatever you put as your monthly goals, Week 1 should look a certain way. Week 2, week 3, week 4. You want to make sure that everything you're doing on a weekly basis will add up to the monthly goals being accomplished. All right, I'll see you in the next video as I show you how to specifically plan your day.